Hello guys, welcome to my channel Seti's Creations. So today I'm going to show how to cut images in different shapes in Photoshop. So before going to start this video, if you did not subscribe my channel and like the videos and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. So let's start. So this is the Photoshop and I took the photo whatever I want to crop it, and to make it into different shapes you need to go to the shape tool. So here is the ellipse tool selector. If you right click, you will get different kinds of shapes like rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, and custom tool. To cut the image into different shapes, line tool is not important. So these are the different tools we can use to shape. So let's first go with the ellipse tool. So when you press on the ellipse tool, it will be selected. So before you start, at the top you can see here like a shape. So shape, path and pixels. So you need to select the path, and after selecting the path, just drag, click the left button and drag. Your circle will be created on the image. Then go to the path selection tool, and this is the path selection tool. So it's a arrow, black arrow above the tool. So just left click and arrange wherever you want to the image. So I'm just setting it here. So this is the perfect place I can set. After setting it, here at the top you can see a layer option. Press on the layer option, you can find vector mask. Vector mask, you need to keep current path. So whatever is the current path, inside that will be selected. So rest all is deleted. So kind of that. Now after doing that, you can see like crop tool. Here is a crop tool. Press on the crop tool and just crop your image to the top of the whatever shaped image you have. So I'm just cropping my image to the nearby. So yes, I cropped it, and here you can see a tick mark. Press it. So after pressing, your image will be cropped in this way. So after cropping your image, go to the file, yeah, and you can see save for web. So if you press save for web, you will get a drop down box like this. So after getting a drop down box, you can see under the preset, you can see a box which goes down like this, like png8, jpeg, jf and wpmb. So different option, so better to use png8. After choosing that, just click on save. So after clicking on save, you'll get a drop down box like where you want to save it. So I'll just save it on the desktop. Yes, it's already on desktop, and I will name it as picture 1. So after saving it, just click on save. So your image will be saved in the desktop wherever you are. So I'll show you to right it now. See, I have here picture 1. So let's open and see how it is. So you can see that your image is cropped in the circle shape. So this is how you cut in different shape. So let's see in another shape now. So in the Photoshop now, we said that we'll see different shapes, right? So I said it. So let's go to another shape. You can see your shape tool, right? Just right click on it. So you'll get different options like polygon tool. Let's go with polygon tool now. In polygon tool, you will get a different change in the settings. At up, you can see sides. In sides, you can find here 3. Currently, you have 3 here. It means 3-sided figure is a triangle. So if you drag like anywhere like this, you are getting a triangle, right? You can see a triangle. So like the way you can find different numbers, like if you press 6, you'll get a hexagon. So how much big you want, you can just set it over and just set it to the photo you want. So now I'll set it as 3 because I will show you. So how many numbers you keep, that many sided figure you will get. For example, 30. So I'll keep 30, you'll get a 30 sided, because all lines joined together you will form a circle. So it is not able to see you clearly, I guess, but it's a circle for me. So let's show you how it would be in a triangle. So I took a triangle, set it as the figure. So I have the figure here. Take the path selection tool. After selecting it, drag and keep your triangle wherever you want to fit it. So it's the perfect fit for the head of this image. Then after setting it, go to the layer, and after this process everything is the same as the first one. Go to the vector mask, current path. After pressing current path, you need to crop the image. So select the crop tool and just crop it over. So after cropping, you get a tick mark. Crop it. After cropping, for file, you need to go after file, save for web. After save for web, first remember you need to select PNG8 for better results. After selecting PNG8 and just save it. After that, you will get a drop down box like where you want to save that image. So I'll save it as picture 2. So after saving it, you'll get save. So actually have, so I'll press cancel in the desktop. I'll just show you to you how is it. uh just a second. See, I opened it and it's in this way. So this is a triangle shape. So let's go with another shape. That is right click, you'll get a custom shape tool. So just select the custom shape tool, and whenever select, just make sure that you are in a path so that you can select it in a path. So here you can see an option like shapes. So here you have different option like arrow mark, paper, just a framework, and a heart, a leaf, etc. Select the heart shape, and after selecting, left click and drag down. So you can just shape it how you want. Then go to the path selection tool, just move your heart wherever you want to set it, and after setting, go to the layer. So as I said, same process. Layer, vector mask, current path. Then go to the crop option and crop it in this way. Press OK and go to the file, save for web and PNG8, save. So you'll get a drop down box to save a picture 3, and enter. So it is saved in my desktop. So here is it. I open and now you can see my picture and image is cut into the different shape you want. So this is the easiest process you can do in Photoshop. So if you liked my video, please like it for sure. Thanks for watching my video.